And now for something completely different.
Look, you've got it all wrong. You don't need to follow me. You don't need to follow anybody. You've got to think for yourselves. You're all individuals. Yes, we're all individuals. You're all different. Yes, we are all different. I'm not.
Well, you're alright. No need to be ill at ease. Well, you're alright. You really don't have a disease. Guidelines should not be black and white. Some thresholds are just a sham, man. You're alright. And we're here to lend a hand.
They say know your numbers, but that's just the song they sing.
The end of guidelines.
It's all about your risk of getting serious thing.
The end of guidelines.
But don't sit around and worry what tomorrow will bring.
The end of guidelines.
Knowledge is king.
Well, you're alright. Even if your numbers are wrong, well, you're alright. You don't always need to play along. You can decide what's right. So make sure you're giving a say. Well, you're alright. Just don't be led astray.
It's all about your values and preference.
Don't be medicalized.
Especially when treatments don't make a huge difference.
Don't be medicalized.
We need to stop giving guidelines such reverence.
Don't be medicalized.
It's just common sense.
Well, you're alright. Even when push comes to shove, well, you're alright. Got no symptoms to speak of, 'cause you're alright. Let's try not to make you feel worse, well, you're alright. Some guidelines can be a curse.
Maybe somewhere down the road a ways,
The end of guidelines.
you will get info on the harms and benefits as the takeaways.
The end of guidelines.
Maybe then you won't wallow in malaise.
The end of guidelines.
You might be amazed.
Well, you're alright. Especially if you're old and gray. Well, you're alright. That's the message we want to convey. Want you to see the light. Sticks and numbers can cause you harm. Well, you're alright. There's no need to sound the alarm.
Don't have to be ashamed of your BMI.
The end of guidelines.
Just get your ass off the couch and do some exercise.
The end of guidelines.
Choose food that isn't highly processified.
The end of guidelines.
Stop at satisfied.
Well, you're alright.
Alright.
No need to be ill at ease.
Well, you're alright.
You really don't have a disease. Guidelines should not be black and white. Some thresholds are just a sham, man. You're alright. And we're here to lend a hand.